Hello my dear friends, welcome back to InfyGyan. In this video we are going to take up another very interesting question from rational equations for the real values of x. So let's get started by writing our equation x minus 1 over 2x minus 1 whole square plus x minus 1 over 2x minus 3 whole square equal to 3. Now we'll multiply our equation by 4 both sides. So 4 I can write 2 square. Here also I can write 2 square. And in RHS I will write 2 square is 4. Now we will multiply this 2 square with x minus 1 whole square. As our exponents are same, we can simply multiply our base number. So 2 will be multiplied with x minus 1. So I can multiply and write 2x minus 2 in the numerator. In denominator, it is unchanged 2x minus 1. Then we will keep our part 2 plus 2 times x minus 2 times 1, so 2 over 2x minus 3 whole square equal to 3 times 4 is 12. Now we will consider our substitution. Let's say 2x minus 2. This is equal to m. So I can write from here 2x minus 1 value will be equal to m plus 1 and 2x minus 3 value will be equal to m minus 1. Let us put, we will get our equation m over m plus 1 whole square plus m over m minus 1 whole square equal to 12. Now we will use one algebraic identity. Let me write here p square plus q square. This will be equal to p plus q whole square minus 2 times pq. Now we will consider this bracket m over m plus 1 equal to p and m over m minus 1. Suppose this is q. So in LHS we will consider p plus q whole square. Let me write here m over m plus 1. This is p. M over m minus 1. This is q whole square minus 2 times, now this term 2 times p times q. So I will write m over m plus 1. This is p value times m over m minus 1. This is q. Right hand side is 12. If I will write in LHS, I need to write minus 12 equal to 0. Now we have to simplify this bracket first. M square minus m plus m square plus m. So plus m minus m will be over. We will get in the numerator m square plus m square. So we can write 2m square. Denominator m plus 1 times m minus 1. We can use difference of squares formula and write m square minus 1. Then we have part 2 minus 2 times m 2m square over m plus 1 times m minus 1. Again we will write m square minus 1 minus 12 equal to 0. Now this is one quadratic equation in 2m square over m square minus 1. So let us assume 2m square over m square minus 1. This is equal to a. So I can write our equation in variable a. A square minus a minus 12 equal to 0. A square minus a minus 12 equal to 0. Now this is one quadratic equation. We can use method of factorization. So we have factors of 12, 3 times 4. And if I will subtract 4 from 3, I will get minus 1. So we will split our middle term minus a as minus 4a plus 3a. Addition will become minus a. Minus 12 equal to 0. Now from first two terms we can take a common. In the bracket we will write a minus 4. From last two terms we can take 3 common. In the bracket we will write a minus 4. RHS is 0. Now a minus 4 is overall common. So in other bracket we will get a from the first term position, 3 from the second term position. In between sign is plus. So we will retain plus equal to 0. Now we will apply product 0 rule. Either a minus 4 equal to 0 or a plus 3 equal to 0. So from first equation we can write a equal to 4, and from second equation we can write a equal to negative 3. Let me write here a equal to negative 3 and a equal to 4. Now a was 2m square over m square minus 1. So we will write 2m square over m square minus 1 equal to minus 3 and 4. Now we have to write two equations from here. We will write 2m square over m square minus 1 equal to minus 3 and 2m square over m square minus 1 equal to 4. Now we will cross multiply. So I can write 2m square equal to minus 3m square plus 3. Now we will take minus 3m square to the LHS. So 2 plus 3 is 5, m square equal to 3. We will divide both sides by 5 and write m square equal to 3 over 5. Now we can take square root both sides. We will get m equal to plus minus square root 3 over square root 5. Or we can rationalize our denominator and write plus minus square root 15 over 5. Now we have to solve second equation. 2m square over m square minus 1 equal to 4. 2m square over m square minus 1 equal to 4. Now we will cross multiply. We will write 2m square equal to 4m square minus 4. Now we will take minus 4 to the LHS and 2m square to the RHS. So I can write 4 equal to 4m square minus 2m square. So 4m square minus 2m square is 2m square. Other side is 4. We'll divide both sides by 2. So this 2 and 2 will be over and RHS will give us 2. So I can write m square equal to 2. Now we will take square root both sides. M will come out plus minus square root 2. So in total we have 4 real solutions. If I will write the remaining 2, so m was plus minus square root 15 over 5. Now m was our substitution, if you remember, 2x minus 2. So I can write here m equal to plus minus square root 2 and plus minus square root 15 over 5. Now we will write m equal to 2x minus 2, or I can write 2 times x minus 1 equal to plus minus square root 2 and plus minus square root 15 over 5. Now we will divide both sides by 2. Let's divide. So over 2 times 2 in the denominator. So this 2 and 2 will be over from left hand side. X minus 1 will be equal to plus minus root 2 over 2, and we will write plus minus square root 15 over 10. Now to get the final answer, we have to add 1 both sides. So let's add 1. We'll write here plus 1. We'll write here plus 1. So in LHS, plus and minus 1 will be over. We will get x equal to, let's take LCM. We'll write 2 plus minus square root 2 over 2 and 10 plus minus square root 15 over 10. So here we have 4 real solutions. I hope friends you will like this video. Thank you so very much for watching. Do not forget to like, share and subscribe. Bye bye till next video. Good luck. Take care. Bye bye.